guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Tab A. If you have not seen the previous unboxing video, I have given the link in the description below, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let me tell the features of this tab. It has 32 GB ROM, 4G LTE, 64-bit quad-core processor, 8 megapixel camera, 2 GB RAM, and 5100 milliampere hour. Now let's open it. And I forgot to tell you that including the tab, I bought this case. The company is Anis and it is made in China. Now let's open the tab. Wow, this is so good. It is black color. It is in black color and so slim. Just a second, I'll just open it. See, this is a tab. It is so slim and it has very big display and one camera over here, and it is Samsung 8-inch tab. It is in black color. It is so good. Along with that, I got a manual book and this pin for inserting the SIM card. Here I got charger for it, and yeah, finish. Yes. Now let's open the case which I got.
Oh, it's so packed.
It's so hard to open. Now let me take the help of my father and open it. Yeah, it is opened. See, along with that, I got 64 GB memory card. Let's keep it aside and take the tab and fix it to this.
First, you know.
Yeah, it is finished. It is so good. The quality of the case is really good. Here it is like this model. Whenever we need, we can open it. And over here, it is so good. This design is so good. And also I told you, right, I got how many GB I got 64 GB memory card. So now I'll open it also. How to open this? What? So yeah, this is the memory card. It is SanDisk Ultra. So this is the review of Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Once again, I'm repeating, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're not seen the previous unboxing video, I have given the link in the description below. If in case if you are buying in the future this tab, please check this video. So, bye.